Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to share something with you that happened to me at the masjid. I'm sitting down and I was just like very, kind of contemplating on something and heavy in thought. And this lady comes up to me. She tells me, Assalamu alaikum, sister. I know you don't know me personally, but I know you. And I didn't think anything of it. I was like, probably, social media, whatever it is, I was like, I give my salams. And she's like, no. I know you personally and you know me, but we've never met. And I was like, forgive me. I have such a bad memory. Tell me, remind me, please do forgive me. And she tells me, remember a couple of weeks ago, there was the single mom that you spoke to via WhatsApp. You shared my message of need. And because of this message that you shared, Alhamdulillah, Ya Rabb, I am under a roof in a safe space with my kids and our rent has been paid for the couple coming months. My heart had just kind of melted because I didn't do anything, but I was thinking of everyone who I shared with and they decided to help the sister, right? That they don't know. They don't even, because I don't give out the names, right? For their own privacy and out of respect, But she came making dua for every single person that gave and that helped her and pulled her out of that situation. And I wish I could have remembered who donated to that cause specifically so I could share with them that this lady is making dua for you. She will come and intercede for you on the day that you meet him, subhanAllah. And it made me think, how many times do we actually click the button? We donate and we don't even think about it. We forget that we even gave or helped anyone, not knowing that that click of the button could have flipped someone's life and changed their life. And that on the day that we meet him, subhanahu wa ta'ala, while we'll be scurrying back and forth, just begging for one deed, you might find all those, not you might, you definitely will find all those whom you helped coming to intercede on your behalf in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, Ya Allah. Wallahi, my heart is just like, I can't explain to you. It's so beautiful. It's such a profound reminder from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And on this blessed night, the night of the 27th of Ramadan, Ya Rabb, perhaps it's Laylatul Qadr, only subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what could be a better time to help someone and just let it be with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And hopefully, Ya Rabb, this giving of yours tonight would be a means of an elevation of your ranks on the day that you meet him, a means of you meeting people you've never met in this dunya that are making dua for you right now, without your knowledge, coming, interceding on your behalf on the day of judgment.